It's filming. Sure. It's filming.
Oh, it's filming. Hey, what's going on, everybody?
I hate both of you. What's up, everybody? We're back. Thanks for joining in. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share.
This video is going to be installing a rear diffuser on this ugly guy's car right here, his Q60. We actually lost the intro to this video.
Don't tell them that. Hey, it happens.
It happens. Whatever. I could lie to you and say the video got corrupted. No, I lost the damn footage somehow or another. It is what it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any comments or questions on how the diffuser was installed, where you purchased it from, make sure and drop it below. And we'll see you guys in a minute.
Yeah.
Back at it. Diffuser is almost in all the way. Got a flashlight on? Don't have the light on yet. Oh yeah, almost there, almost there.
Looking like my mom.
Coming along.
Gotta first make sure that we're gonna get.
Well, at least we're making progress.
I have contusion.
Oh, really? What did you come to?
I think we should just like 3 mil tape it. Like
3 mil? You mean 3M?
oh yeah, 3 mil.
This guy.
Gorilla Wood right here.
You really want to do that?
Not really, but
Okay.
I mean, that seems like
I think that's what we're gonna end up doing.
Yeah.
Damn, I'm sweating. Holy crap.
It's fucking hot in here, man. Why are you getting up on my phone there?
alright.
Get up on his teeth.
Hold on. I think it grabbed.
Yep, just barely, but it grabbed.
If we got longer screws, it'll grab better.
It's also pulling it down.
Yeah.
Let me go walk around outside. I'll show you guys something. You know, that's how we do it at the garage on a weekend. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's a little different. We never really just film non-stop with us working on the cars and stuff. It's usually kind of cut in between. But today we're trying to, this video we're trying to, you know, not edit it out too much so you guys can actually see what goes out. Set it now, man.
Set it and forget
Set
it.
it. I was just gonna say set it and forget it. Is that good? Is that a light?
Yeah, lovely.
Why did you ask how much longer this is gonna take? You went around the sunset? Okay. In that case, I want to set something up. Be right back, guys.
Alright, so what we did to this diffuser right here, bolted it up through the trunk panel, but after that we noticed it was still a little saggy. So we drilled out the diffuser, just drilled a quick hole, about 2 in each panel, in each portion. And then we went ahead and we put some self-tapping screws inside to the bumper, so a lot stiffer, not gonna be
There you
shaking
go.
around.
It's not gonna go nowhere.
So it's not going nowhere.
There you go. So once it's completely bolted up on, we still have the outside ones to do. As in they're mainly doing it. I had some stuff to take care of, so they've mainly taken care of this today.
This video is waiting on Brandon.
Yeah, this video should be waiting on me. But yeah, as soon as it's done, we'll get right back to you guys. I'll probably throw a clip in between of doing the 2 outside ones also for you guys. Hold on. So how we had it lined up last night was like this. Hold that right there for a second.
fucked that up. I let it
He so wants the Stillen plate that he's cutting the Stillen part out. Yeah, I just realized that. I looked up and turned around.
Damn, I don't want to be exposed though. Fuck.
So then go back a little bit with it.
I can't. No, that's where the bumper ends, like right here.
I mean, it's not going to be exposed. You're going to have to be underneath the car to actually see it.
Yeah, for real.
I mean, you're lucky you cut that.
No, he's lucky
Both
I
of
cut
us.
that. 'Cause if you didn't cut it, we're good. Good.
Good, last bolt in.
Yep, diffuser done.
Guys, look at that. So much nicer than the other one.
I like that a lot better.
Yeah. I think it looks pretty good. Guys, I must say, I think it turned out pretty good. I think it's looking pretty decent. What you think? What you think?
Looks like shit.
He's joking.
Looks like hers.
There you go. That one,
Cammed.
and then that one. Now see, this one has a nickname, but I gotta bleep out the nickname because I'll get in trouble for cursing. Basic beep, 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 beep. Yeah, yeah. Coming along.
I had 30s on mine before and I don't have a stretch and it didn't look right.
Well, I don't know what we're about to get into next, but I guess we'll see in a second, guys.